fresh wraps. And one of the things we do making fresh wraps is a peanut sauce. So for that peanut sauce, we're gonna do a can of coconut milk. I'm using light coconut milk, although you can use heavy if you want. I shook that up before I actually did it. 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup Adams peanut butter. So this is a different kind of peanut butter than you're probably used to. I don't actually measure the peanut butter out. I just did 3/4 cup sugar. So I just kind of estimate using a spoon because it's kind of hard to get that into a measuring cup. A 1/2 tablespoon salt. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. And approximately 2 ounces of red curry, which is about 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons. So I just do a couple of big spoonfuls and call that good. We're gonna heat that until it's warm and combined. So I'm gonna turn that on to medium high. I'm gonna use a whisk to stir it until it's all combined. It's gonna take a little while. Right now, this is what it looks like. All right, so the peanut sauce has been simmering for a little while. It's starting to thicken up a little bit. If you want it thicker, you can. You would just add a little water with corn starch, mix it together. But this is just about right for me. All right, so now we're gonna do the bean thread noodles, which go by many different names. So we got the water boiling, and we're gonna boil them for about 2 minutes, and then they'll be done. So just 2 minutes. And I usually take a fork to separate the noodles. So as they're cooking, you kind of loosen them up so that all that hot water accesses those noodles, but just 2 minutes. All right, so the noodles have been going for about 2 minutes. Strain the noodles, just put them into a bowl. They're gonna be a little sticky together, so you might have to use your fingers to get them apart to make them. So I'm just gonna use some pre-grilled chicken strips. Just gonna put them in a bowl, microwave them for about 45 seconds to a minute. All right, so to assemble, you're gonna use rice paper. You're gonna take a sheet out, put it into the warm hot water, just tap hot. Count about 10. Doesn't have to be exact, but 5-10 seconds, a little bit longer as the water cools. So when it comes out, you can see it's still got some rigidity. Put it on your plate. Put whatever toppings you want. So I'm gonna take some green peppers. I'm gonna put some jalapenos. I'm gonna do some avocado. I'm gonna do some onion, carrot, maybe a couple things of cucumber. These noodles are a little hot, but then put a couple pieces of chicken. You can put the peanut sauce on before or after you wrap it. But now you can see it's much softer. Gonna wrap it like you would a burrito. And then you we're ready to pick it up and eat it.